This video is all about the backup and restore feature in ListMucho. Whether you're switching to a new phone, setting up a family member's device, or just want peace of mind knowing your lists and recipes are safe, this video is for you. Let's walk through it together. To find backup and restore, tap the Settings tab and scroll down until you see the Backup and Restore section. Tap Export Backup, and you'll be asked how you'd like to share it. You have two options. The first option is Share as Link. This generates a secure link that you can send to anyone via email, text, or messaging app. The person on the other end just taps the link, ListMucho opens automatically, and they're prompted to merge or overwrite their existing settings. Just keep in mind that backup links expire after 7 days, so make sure the recipient imports it before expiration. The second option is Save as File. This saves your backup as a file that you can store on Google Drive, your device's downloads folder, or anywhere else you like. Unlike the link option, this file doesn't expire. It's yours to keep as long as you want. Use the Import Backup button in the Settings tab to restore from a saved file at any time. Now let's talk about what's actually in a backup. When you export, ListMucho captures everything, all of your shopping lists, to-do lists, recipes and ingredients, and your app settings like prices, currency, tax rates, and display preferences. It's a complete snapshot of your entire configuration. To install a ListMucho backup file, simply tap the Import Backup button and select the backup file from the location you saved it. This could be your Google Drive, Files folder, or another location. After selecting the backup file, you'll be asked to choose between two modes, Merge and Overwrite. Merge adds the backup data alongside whatever is already on the device, perfect for setting up a second phone or sharing your lists and recipes with a family member without overwriting anything they already have. And Overwrite replaces everything on the device with the backup file, ideal for migrating to a new phone or restoring after a fresh install. And finally, a quick note about the data management section. Tapping the Clear All Data button will reset ListMucho to factory defaults. This will permanently delete all saved lists, recipes, app settings, and budget information and cannot be undone. If you're planning to use the Clear All Data option, you should consider exporting a backup first. Once data is cleared, it cannot be recovered. But with a backup in hand, you can always restore exactly where you left off. And that's it. Backup and restore in ListMucho is fast, flexible, and gives you complete control over your data no matter what device you're on. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And thank you for using ListMucho.